Salam everybody, this is Investor Sheikh back at it again with another video. And before I tell you today's halal stock pick, I just want to remind you all about the giveaway that I'm having. Check out the video link on top for more details. The giveaway does end on November 30th. Now back to the video. So looking at the price of Bitcoin, it is at all-time highs as it's hovering around $67,000 a coin. So with it being at all-time highs, you would think that these Bitcoin mining stocks would do very well. Which leads me to the halal stock pick, which is Cleanspark, ticker symbol CLSK. Stock price is at $21.33. So it is down 4% today. But over the past month, it's been up 46%. However, let's compare it with another Bitcoin mining stock. So the first one I'll do is Marathon, ticker symbol MARA, which is currently at all-time highs at $76, which is insane. Now, throughout the year, Marathon has been a little bit more expensive than Cleanspark stock. It was in the 30s, while Cleanspark was in the teens back in August. So this is the growth over the past 3 months. And as you see, September was not so good as both stocks were at the bottom, and then until then, that's when the stock started to rise. And now you see Marathon is significantly more expensive than Cleanspark stock. Now, I'm not sure exactly why Marathon went up. It could be due to their increased output of mining Bitcoin, but they haven't had any earnings report to explain this sudden surge in the stock price. So it makes you wonder, like, why isn't that Cleanspark at all-time highs? But only time will tell. And then let's take a look at Riot stock, ticker symbol RIOT. Now, Riot stock has a very different performance. So Cleanspark is in blue and Riot stock is in red. So as you know, Riot stock was also in the 30s, while Cleanspark was in the teens. So this is back in August. And then as you see here, Cleanspark started to go up while Riot was trading sideways. And now we're seeing Riot stock go up, which started in November 1st. So it was trading sideways and then it started going up. But Cleanspark had more growth over the past 3 months, as you see in the graph. So yes, Cleanspark is the halal stock pick of the week. I have covered this stock multiple times. I'll put up the playlist on top for you to check out all the other Cleanspark videos. So I'm not going to go into detail as to what Cleanspark does, but Zoya has updated their description to include the Bitcoin mining part of the company. So with it acquiring ATL data centers, the company owns and operates a fleet of over 3,400 ASIC Bitcoin miners producing over 200 petahashes per second in mining capacity. Capacity is expected to increase to over 300 petahashes per second in mining capacity in early 2021. Cleanspark plans to apply its technologies with a goal of mining Bitcoins at the lowest energy prices in the United States. And that last sentence was a very big deal because, as you know, mining Bitcoin is bad for the environment, especially with the source of energy that's used to mine Bitcoin. If it's coal or natural gas, it's not only is it pricey, but it's causing a lot of pollution, which is giving Bitcoin a bad rep. But Cleanspark is the company that's going to provide the solution to that by incorporating clean energy, especially with their microgrids and how they're trying to incorporate clean energy into the microgrids to allow clean energy to be used by communities or even companies. So that's a game changer, and I truly believe that Cleanspark has a promising future with both their microgrid solutions and their Bitcoin mining. So let's dive deeper into the stock price. So as you know, the past month has been amazing, 48% growth. But when you look at it over the past year, you'll notice a lot of volatility. As you see here, this is the stock price over the past year. So from November of last year, it was at $10 a share. Then it shot up to $40 in January. Then it dipped, so it started going up, and then it has had a long-term decline over the past year. So around this time, I was accumulating shares of Cleanspark because, as Warren Buffett says, be greedy when others are fearful. So I'm guessing at this point people were very fearful, so I took advantage of that and started buying shares around this point. And now we started to see the stock price enter the 20s. And the last time it was in the 20s was back in April, late April. So it's been a while since Cleanspark was a little over $20 a share. So that's a very big deal. So that just shows you that patience can really help when it comes to long-term investing. I would not day trade this stock or do any swing trades because of how volatile it is. It's a very volatile stock. And then looking here at the market cap, it has a $759 million market cap. So it's best to focus on the market cap as opposed to the stock price, because personally I believe that with Bitcoin reaching all-time highs and Cleanspark's promising future, I do believe that Cleanspark can be a billion-dollar company. So they're 75% of the way there. And then let's take a look at the financials. We'll start with the analysts and what they have to say. So on Yahoo Finance, Cleanspark is labeled as a strong buy, with price targets as low as $35 and as high as $50 a share, which means that you're getting the stock at a bargain if the lowest price target is at $35. But again, this is what the analysts are saying. So according to the analysts, you'll be getting Cleanspark stock at a good price, at the 20s, at the teens. And then looking at the financials, it does have a negative net income, so they're not profitable yet. And then looking at the balance sheet, they have $22 million in assets and $5 million in liabilities. So the assets are significantly greater than the liabilities, which is a really good thing to look at in a stock. So all in all, I have covered this stock multiple times, and I'm still bullish to this day on Cleanspark stock. I do believe they have a promising future, and frankly, they have a really good purpose. And I like to invest in companies that have a purpose. And Cleanspark's purpose is really to, utilize cleaner energy. And I believe this stock will be a good hold for the long term. Now, as always, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't buy Cleanspark stock simply because I'm talking about it. Please do your own research before being financially involved in this stock. This is Investor Shake, checking out.